Hi everyone. So today we have with us Manhar, All India rank 37 in ALET 2026. Huge congratulations, Manhar.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So how's the feeling? कैसा लग रहा है? Such amazing rank.
And I'm still absorbing the feeling, still getting used to it. But overall, it was indeed a wonderful experience. I mean, how the result came abruptly.
अभी अभी रिजल्ट आया ना ऑब्वियसली
Yeah.
मतलब थोड़ा टाइम तो तुम्हें सबको ही लगेगा टू
Yeah.
सिंक इन. सो हाउ इज द फीलिंग? कैसा लग रहा है? ऑल बढ़िया. नाउ इज द टाइम टू
Yeah.
actually celebrate.
Yes, ma'am. Indeed.
So, what has been your preparation strategy? One, that Manhar. Second, CLAT and ALET are two different exams, but very similar in few aspects, yet different in few aspects. So, could you emphasize on the similarity as well as the difference wala part as far as both the exams are concerned?
Ma'am, so the similarity part I would like to point out first, like RC जो subject है, तो CLAT and ALET are very similar in putting up their RC questions. So उनकी practice very common रहती थी, and as far as GK was concerned, I more emphasized more on the relevant facts and the important facts and pointers in ALET GK compared to CLAT. And logical it was क्योंकि लॉजिकल में एनालिटिकल एंड सिलॉजिज्म्स जो है वो ज़्यादा आती हैं, तो आई मेड श्योर कि मैं उनकी प्रैक्टिस डेली करूं, मतलब थोड़ी हो लेकिन हो.
लॉजिकल दो आपका बहुत अच्छा था, बट
Yeah.
आप ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट ना हो जाओ और टच में रहो, कनेक्ट में रहो, इसलिए आप लॉजिकल रोज प्रैक्टिस करते थे.
Yes,
सो
ma'am.
दैट्स इम्पोर्टेंट. यस.
Yeah.
ओके ओके ओके, ठीक है, परफेक्ट. यू यूज्ड टू टेक मॉक्स, राइट? वी यूज्ड टू सी यू टेकिंग मॉक्स एवरी डे. कभी
Yes.
मनहर का कोई मॉक मिस भी हो जाता था. शी यूज्ड टू बी वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट कंप्लीटिंग द बैकलॉग मैक्स बाय मंडे और ट्यूसडे. So that is a very important part in the entire process. So please let us know about the importance of taking mocks, how important it is to take mocks, and how did your graph actually improve from here to there?
Ma'am, so the importance of mocks cannot be overstated. I mean, mocks are something which tell you कि what's your stand, आप कहाँ हो, आपको
Correct.
कितनी improvement की ज़रूरत है. And what's more important than writing mocks is analyzing them effectively.
Very, very important. Yes.
Yeah. So मतलब आपको अपना mock का result मिलता है. First thing you should keep in mind is not to get too sad, not to get too happy.
Too happy.
Just see where it is lacking, see how can you improve it, point out कि यहाँ गलती हुई है, कैसे हुई है, क्यों हुई है, आगे क्या करना चाहिए. एंड जो सही, मैं तो कहती हूँ जो सही भी हुआ है उस पर देखना चाहिए कि बाद में कि वो कैसे सही हो गया, उसको सस्टेन कैसे करना.
लॉजिक उसके पीछे सही था या
Yeah.
नहीं, इवन इफ यू टर्न आउट टू बी राइट आंसर,
Yes.
the logic attached was correct or not.
Yes.
So आप कैसे करते थे analyze section by section? If we talk about how did you analyze your mocks?
Ma'am, so I did my analysis question wise कि जो गलत हुए हैं मेरे, तो उनमें मतलब what topic, जैसे मेरे कभी इन्फरेंस में गलत हुए हैं तो इन्फरेंस में मैंने क्या कोई एक्सट्रीम ऑप्शन चूज़ किया है, या फिर कुछ बहुत ही ब्रॉड क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन चूज़ किया है, या
Topic, location, finding out specific topics.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, yes. And English, this was my analysis process of English. In logical, CR was basically मेरा weak point, and sometimes it was syllogisms. So syllogisms की मैंने practice बढ़ाई, मतलब उसके अलावा और मुझे कोई solution लगा नहीं. And CR में English की more or less process repeat हुई मेरी, कि inference में गलती आ रही है, strengthen weaken में आ रही है, वो etc etc.
Correct. So to everyone listening out there, it is not only important that you take mocks, मतलब वो तो है ही, it is also very important that you analyze all the mocks. And analysis might take ज़्यादा time than the process of writing mocks in itself, but do not give up on analysis. Analysis would exactly tell you where you are and how do you actually get there. So what would you like to mention about GK? GK as a subject, दोनों exams में दोनों का like nature different है. So how did you go about CLAT GK versus ALET GK?
Ma'am, so in CLAT GK there's one assurance कि like अगर आपके पास एक टॉपिक है तो 4-5 क्वेश्चन उससे बन जाएंगे.
Correct.
एंड अगर वो टॉपिक, उसका ये ड्रॉबैक है कि अगर वो टॉपिक आपने नहीं टच किया या फिर वो टॉपिक आपका वीक है तो उसके 5 क्वेश्चंस बिगड़ जाए.
Correct.
एंड एलेट में ये एज है कि सारे इंडिविजुअल होते हैं तो फिर कुछ ना कुछ तो बन ही जाता है, बट इसमें क्योंकि फैक्ट्स थोड़े से ज़्यादा होते हैं एंड लाइक काफ़ी डिटेल्ड जीके होता है, तो इसमें मेहनत थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा लगती है, और क्योंकि इसमें फैक्ट्स ग्रास्प करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है.
fast grasping in A-Let wala is important.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Stress होता था पूरे process में, मतलब
stress-
during the process.
Stress was an integral part of the process.
And that's very natural, मतलब stress हो गई. So how did you deal with stress in the entire process? And how do you actually deal with stress on the D-Day? That's very important. बहुत लोग पूरा time stress नहीं लेंगे, but D-Day के दिन ले लेंगे. So how do you deal with both of them?
And meditation was the number one solution to stress.
Meditation.
And I would talk to my parents about it. They would console me. My parents indeed have played an integral part in the process, in my success. And मुझे पापा ने बोल के भेजा था कि वहाँ जाके stress मत लेना, just do deep breathing, and that somehow worked.
So meditation, yeah, that's a very good way. And obviously speak out, talk, communicate. आपको जिससे अच्छा लगे, talk out, reach out to your parents because obviously the best. मतलब उनसे better तो आपको कोई guide ही नहीं कर सकता. Reach out to friends, do anything that helps you release your stress. That's very important. ये बहुत subjective है, vary कर सकता है, but बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप इस पूरे process में बहुत calm रहो. That's very indeed important. क्या मैसेज देना चाहोगे to everyone who's preparing for law, going to write CLAT, A-Let? अपने own experience से कोई मैसेज जो आप law aspirants को देना चाहते हो?
One thing I would like to stress about is that during the D-Day, मतलब in fact even in the mocks, make sure कि आपके details you have very meticulously filled them, you have cross-checked them कि कहीं गलती तो नहीं हुई, क्योंकि it's not just about the accuracy, आपकी OMR की details भी बहुत important
Of course.
And of course उसके लिए you need to have a very composed and very precise mindset, and you have to stay calm throughout the process, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and do hard work. That's it.
So I think one common thing that all the toppers and all, like every student is mentioning again and again is consistency. आप पूरे process में आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप consistent रहो. So that's the word of the day. Stay consistent. So आपका area of improvement क्या था? Strong areas, you said logical, right?
Yes.
What was your area of improvement where you have to push yourself really hard?
Ma'am, it was English.
So how did you go about the English craft from here to here? How did you work on it?
Ma'am, first of all, by analyzing and looking at the recurring mistakes, finding out कि इनका solution क्या हो सकता है, how to overcome them, and then practicing RC every day.
So तो अपने area of improvement से भागो मत. Area of improvement या not so good subject मेरा कुछ भी हो सकता है. It can be maths, it can be GK, legal, English. अक्सर बच्चे उससे भागते हैं, उसे भागो मत. Make sure you practicing it daily. And also, like what worked for Manhar and what would work for you, practice it daily and analyze. So analysis and practice is what would help you come out of your area of improvement subject. Okay, one last question to you, Manhar. What would be the role of career launcher in your entire journey?
Career Launcher was my support system, I would say, and the mentors here, Himanshu sir, Pulak ma'am, Varun sir, all were there. Whenever I was stressed, whenever I was confused, your guidance paved my way.
Great to hear, and we are super proud of you. Amazing rank. काफी मेहनत करी आपने. Now it's the time to celebrate. Now with us, Manhar's mom. Huge congratulations to you too, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
कैसा लग रहा है, ma'am? How's the feeling?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. I'm very happy and I'm proud of my daughter.
We're proud of her too, ma'am.
Yes.
Congratulations to you too again, Manhar. And हमारे doors आपके लिए हमेशा open है. Once a CLite, always a CLite. Feel free to come here anytime. Keep guiding, motivating, and I'm sure you come out of flying colors in your law college as well. All the best.